People, so that's an ambulance with a beryllium fan. Honestly, I don't know what to pray.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, people, yeah, as you can see, at night time. Yeah, man. You see me? Yeah, me know no used to me in the daytime, you know. But what you pre now, no? Nighttime driving tonight, people. Nighttime driving tonight. You get what me I say? Yeah, man, and I be a dust in front of my people. You see me I say? Wonder if nobody can guess at which part me there. Alright, what you pre? Out of Bull Bay, people. Bull Bay, I want me there. Yeah, Bull Bay, St. Andrew. You get what me I say? Right now, we make a way go downtown Kingston. You understand? Yeah, we go like on the waterfront there. So Ocean Boulevard are the correct name for it. Yeah, right there. So we're gonna make the drive go. We're gonna close the video off right there. So Zane. So as I say currently with the East Kingston with the Bull Bay out of St. Andrew. And yeah, we're gonna go through East Kingston side and the whole of them here there too. You understand? Yeah, man. That's how we're gonna go, people. Them places we're gonna make a way go to. Yeah. Yeah, we might just drive past you know, Rockford side, them side there, yeah. And then when we reach downtown, we just go straight out on East King Street. We know how to do Victoria Avenue, East King Street, them places. So we might just take it the way there, yeah. You understand? I mean, you have the highway, Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway, and the left Harborview roundabout. Yeah, you have this, and then you know you have Michael Manley Boulevard, I think. You see me? Yeah, you have this too. But I'm not going to take it this way. I'm going to turn and drive past Rockford, them place there. Alright? Mountain View in them place there. Cool, my people? Yeah, man, this is the thing. They see a bus here, 97, it run from downtown Kingston to Bull Bay. Yeah. Yeah, my people. And right now, a big truck in front of me, you know. Yeah, man, a big truck there in front of me. I take it time and go to, you know. Yeah, man. So, we just there, my people, and we are cruise and thing, you know. As me say, it's a nighttime drive. I've done nighttime drives before, people, but this might be new to some of you all. People, you see the dust? Yo, this shit serious. You see me? Yeah, man, this is serious, people. A Bull Bay, this me say, you know. Bull Bay, my people. Bull Bay. Yeah. See the dust? Although the truck in front of it, I kick off whole heap of dust too, you know. Yeah, man. But yeah, my people, so enough of we not used to me doing nighttime driving, but if you search the channel, you'll find some nighttime drive. I have a playlist with me do a few nighttime drives. Yeah? You understand? Yeah, man. So that is it, you know. That's how we're gonna just do another one, cause they up on the road in the night, yeah, and just decide, say, you know what? Yeah, man, dash camera run, so might as well me. Let's do a video, you see me? Yeah, man. And what you pre to know? Right now, me are going to some different type of music in the background too, you know, people. Yeah, man, more like some alternative. If we make you better understand, more like some white people music. Yeah, man. You see me? Yeah. Some little alternative and yeah, some of them music them are dropping in the background, you know. Yeah, don't know my little changer thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. So you don't know if you love it, click the like button. You see what I say? And always remember so you can drop in the comments and let me know what I want to think about the nighttime drive. You get me? Yeah, man. Let me know about the think about the nighttime drive. Nighttime drive to people might just be me just easy, not even much talking either, and just a cruise in the night time. I would just look on the road and I make a way up. Maybe if something I'm out of the norm, I might, comment this about. Yeah, the night video them, I just want them to just be like music and cruising. You understand? Yeah. The place dusty, no blow up, people. Me not tell no lie. Watch ya, man. Yo. Place dusty. Whole heap of dust, people. At the truck where they up ahead of me, Yeah, man. Take you off whole heap of dust, people. Man, I just stand up out here, so. But yeah, people, as I said, it's a bull bay. Yes, right. Bull bay. Chuck, man, I overtake car. Wait. Wait. That a go on. People know me hear that, me hear siren, People, so that's an ambulance with a beryllium van. I don't know what to pray. Honestly, I don't know what to pray. Because the beryllium van I drive back ambulance to. I don't know if them just say, yo, we're going to just use this and go in with it. I don't know. I really don't know, people, but I guess we see the news if there's anything else. As you know from what they are, the man them a go hard for the beryllium man them. Yeah. So I don't know. I hope say I know nothing like that. An ambulance, I hope say a pregnant woman in it. I give birth, is it? Yeah, I hope a life will come forth, Yeah, people. That's the thing there. But it's a nighttime drive and you don't know. You see me? Random stuff happen on the streets, people. See another bull be a bus here. 97. Yeah. Run from downtown Kingston, as I say, to outer Bull Bay. Yeah. Organized. People, the busman and taxi man, them use the road the worst, And you see if something happen on the road, let's say somebody make a bad drive, them exalt themselves the most. Things them what them do, if them see somebody else do it, whereas if it's not an ex-public passenger vehicle, oh my God, man, them be nice with them on. Them do a bag of things, me I tell the people. I'm like, Like the public passenger vehicle, them I said them don't want to see nobody else broke the disobey the road code and drive bad on the road. Them alone for do it. Like that them a say people. Yeah. So right now we're there right at the foot of Shooters Hill, people. Yeah. Right, that's over there. I know enough of you can make out the place, you know. As one night on the dark, yeah, so I tell you the whole day. So we soon reach a harbour view, yeah? Yeah, soon reach a harbour view. Right around about we soon reach it, sir. And then the road's supposed to be way better. And we shouldn't be experiencing this huge bag of dust and rain after this, alright? Yeah. Well, out of cement have little dust still, you know. Yeah, cement factory, little dust out the system, to be honest. Alright people, so see run about, you know. I have to run about the people, yeah. Alright. Right about now this is Sir Flores L Class Pool highway. Why the taxi money does not drive out, sir? what going over there, so people, if a bushfire or what. So just to know a cement factory these people. Just in case y'all can't make it out, it's a cement factory. Alright, yeah. Factory mostly on the right hand side. Them control over the left part too, you know. Flour mill with the people. Flour mill from the right hand side. Big silo them. Yeah, them the right from right hand side. We just a pass them. Alright? Yeah. As we say, Sir Florizel Glasgow Avenue. Sir Florizel Glasgow Highway, people. Yeah. I think Sir Glasgow was I think he was a governor general one at the time. Also, so I don't know any people. A long time that we don't know. We're gonna make the right turn up yourself to jump out on we know the road, yeah? Yeah. Yeah man, I think them say must was a governor general. People in my family with it, with him and that information and just let me know in the comment section, see? Yeah. Alright? Yeah man. So basically they are East Kingston, you know. But we know the road. So I'm cool you go out. You understand? Yeah. Like I say, we are done it at Ocean Boulevard, otherwise known as Waterfront, which is downtown Kingston, alright? Yeah man. Open a full joy the music kind of people, you see me? Background music, yeah, I hope you like it, you know. You understand? I'm saying something new. Well, might be new to a lot of us still, cause, you know, but the day one people, them know about that style, yeah, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so basically, they're at Fort right now. Yeah. Out there saw the KFC, but it open, I can say it lock, but it open people, it open Well, it's not that late still. To be in all honesty, it's really not that late. You understand? Yeah. Not that late still, people. We did the rock foot here as I said on the right hand side. I saw Worker Hill. Worker Road carry go up a Worker Hill. Next turn up on the right, Oliver Road. Next right, Lucas Road. To the people who are familiar with East Kingston know the pre. See me on the left, right, that's at the police station, Rockford station. At night time still people, I know say enough of them not really make it out properly, but I don't know a thing go. You see me, yeah. And we are head out to, we are going to go through the stoplight. We find the bottom of Mountain View right there, so yeah, Mountain View Avenue. Yeah man. Or down the side end. Alright? Yeah. Yeah man. See that this is it. Mountain View intersection here, some people. Yeah. I continue to make a way go out, you know? Yeah. What you say you have Waterloo Road, people? Yeah. Yeah man, I never know Waterloo Road in Garrison too. Think of Uptown alone? Waterloo Road, people, yeah. Can drive go straight up yourself, come out on a road of them call think a Langston Road which carry out back to Mountain View Avenue. Yeah man. East Kingston man, my growing up people to a certain extent, you know? Yeah. Just know you find Dunkirk. You understand? Yeah. You find Camperdown High School there out of them side here. Vauxhall High School out of them side here. And the vicinity there with it right now. See? Yeah. We have passed Vauxhall High School now on the right side, people. Know it dark. We know it dark. Alright, yeah, I know it dark. And yes, extra dark. I don't like no out there neither. Yeah, I don't know what go on Vauxhall Gate and the light. Yeah, one bar that I play music, you know? Yeah, man, Dunkirk out there some people. We have Brighton Street and you know Kirk already, you know it thing. Yeah. Ships, people. Alright, now we know where we are go intersection and now where we are find Elliston Road. We have the big traffic police headquarters. Alright, yeah. That is it, people, that is it. Yeah, man, you understand we're doing from left to right, we just go through the intersection there, sir. Yeah. So all this big driving and that's him just reach. So him overtake him and move like me think he would reach a town. So the intersection I know people are Camp Road. South Camp Road? Yeah. Yeah man, South Camp Road intersection this now there. Alright? I have a theatre when named Palace. It's over my right hand side. The vicinity there with there. I know a night I know enough of una go and say, yo, we can't see you know, I'll tell you which part we there and all of this. So me I tell you now, alright? Yeah. So let me see what else would I go say though. Yeah. But I mean drop in the comments still. Feel free to drop in the comments still, you understand? Yeah man. Yeah. I couldn't drop in the comments to them people. You understand? Yeah man. Let me know what you think about the nighttime video them. You get me? Guys, as I say, when we just started the channel, we used to do the nighttime video them mostly for the algorithm. You understand? Yeah. So sometimes you used to post 2 videos a day. That's how my channel is new. Because the more you post, the more YouTube, you know, push out a video them or something. So that's how I used to do. So I used to just drop the nighttime video them. So the algorithm could have picked it up and thing. Yeah. That me used to do. So I don't know if it's a thing where I gotta start do back or what. You understand? But yeah. From my right hand side now, you have Central Police Station, alright? Yeah. Big station there where they are town with a big brick wall. Right there from my right hand side there now. Cool? Yeah. Yeah man. These are the headquarters in Kingston Division. Kingston Police them. Yeah, headquarters. So like when you see pass Rockport station out this and thing, anytime nothing go on and them lock up my body or whatever, them just carry them come essential. You understand? Yeah. And this is East Queen Street, you know, people. Well, we're about to exit our fight still, but East Queen Street is alright. Yeah. Alright, so we are take it down from the waterfront, you know. So we go straight down. We're not even going to go around the way. We could have go down King Street, but we go straight down here, so. Alright? Yeah. And we're there downtown Kingston, my people. Just in case you don't wonder. It's downtown Kingston, alright? Yep. Alright people, so we are going to cross now upon Ocean Boulevard. Right? Yeah. Yeah man. So we'll take a little time, you know? Yeah. Look at parking. Not look at parking, buy a water. I have about parking. The water I want to buy from one of them money, but I don't even see nobody else selling no water. Hold on there. Yeah, I see one brother. There's a lady. Mommy, you have water? Alright. Nah, Mommy, you have water? No, not in there. Alright. Uncle, you have water? Hey, one dinner, please. $150 feet? Yeah, look at man. See there? Yeah, soft one. Softest one I can find, my boss, please. Alright, respect. Alright. So me buy two of them here this morning somewhere. The video soon done, you know, but me have to tell you, me buy two of them here this morning from a roadside vendor, same way, bills for one. You understand here? Me drive slow. Alright? Bills for one. Him have this and it frozen. So me know him to buy this today. Because it's frozen. Now you may ask him for a soft one and him say the softest one this. So it's actually frozen. See? Alright. Alright. And he might tell me say it raise. Him need to go find with a lady that buy it and buy it. I'm well thirsty when I buy people. I'm right hand side, there's a digital head office. Yeah. And when we go around the corner, on the left, I go be Kingston Craft Market. So if you ever hear about Craft Market yet, I eat up us up on the left hand side. You see what I say? Yeah. That vicinity that we're in right now, people. Craft Market, yeah. Up on the left hand side. And my people, with all that said, this is where the video will come to an end, alright? Yeah man, so give thanks for all of you who are journey with me. Yeah man, remember to like, share, and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, alright? Yeah man, and feel free to drop in a comment. You know that part they go already. I don't have to tell you that. And that's a whole little reasoning, you understand? Yeah man, so drop in the comments people. You know the thing, man, 876 by Bergs, you know. And I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.